All right, mate. Sorry for the late reply on this. ANC. I actually had to take my dad out last night, so I'm a little bit late getting back to this. But you messaged last night. It was still up pretty high. There wasn't much movement since. You messaged in here 11:30 p.m. or 11:15 p.m. You messaged in this candle right here. So since then, it's really been choppy. There was a little bit of upside, but the problem is now with this. It's been moving well, very, very well. One of the better coins in the market, to be honest. But as you can see here, this is a bearish daily stop hunt at this point. So you're not going to buy this today. Hopefully you didn't buy it last night either. The problem is now there's a new 3-day candle in 11 hours time. With the daily stop hunt, there is a very good possibility of this bouncing up, taking liquidity, and actually flipping red, having a bit of a red 3-day candle down. You need to be aware that that is a possibility because of the daily stop hunt. But the thing is, this was a bearish daily stop hunt reversal candle. But there's a few things to take into consideration when this happened. This happened at all-time highs. When we came up and broke out all-time highs, as you can see here, price opened up, pushed up, and negated the bearish candle, and then we moved hard to the upside. This was a failed move that pushed price up. Now we now also have a bearish candle here. Are we going to negate it? Are we just going to, continue this and have another failed move to the upside? Well, it's tough to trade. It's tough to think it is going to do that, but it is possible. The safe option would be to probably short a move up on a new 3-day. We definitely have to. Sorry, let's go back here a minute. Price is bearish below this green line. That's the easiest way to say that. So if we move up on a new 3-day candle into here, anywhere there is still bearish, and you can be shorted for a move back down. But if we start to get above this, okay, that's obviously more bullish. So below this is definitely more bearish. I wouldn't be buying this today. It's done nothing since you've asked about it. It's not really done anything. You posted here and it's just chopped about to the downside. I would wait for a new 3-day candle at the very minimum. It is and has been one of the better coins in the market. Can this continue? Have another parabolic move to the upside? Sometimes when these coins get going, they can really run. So I would just trade the new 3-day candle, but I would be very careful if we're still below that daily stop hunt level.